After the production quantity and length set up, and we can do the size change. We can produce different size of product by this machine. So we will see how to set up, how to change the size. So when we enter the screen, we select parameter setting. Parameter setting, and here is change screen. You can see here we can set bottom width here, and the height was here. For example, the first one we produced the bottom size is 260. We can change it to 300.
应该切发量哦，你看着。
And the height, let's see, 60 millimeter. So then we press set up, the machine will move automatic, and the final product size will turn to 360. Set up. So here is the size change.
这是定人码，定宽度。